The overall experience is just overwhelming.
We went through a lot today. I've been to many other conventions and things. It was more like hands-on.
If you're on the fence, I would say, man, this is an investment in yourself, which is the best way to spend your money. It's going to multiply over the next few years, but over your whole lifetime.
If you want to grow your business, this is where you need to be at.
I learned so much knowledge. It's too much to say in words. It's unbelievable.
With these campaigns in place, I'm going to be able to focus on lead generation and growing the business instead of running the business.
We knew about Keith. I heard he had a workshop, low cost, high gains, high energy, in our faces, direct.
If you want to invest in yourself and you want to have growth in your business, I would definitely recommend other people to come out.
Had high hopes. They were extremely fulfilled.
If you're like first starting off a business and it's your first year, or if you're in your 10th year, there is no cap at learning.
I've been to a lot of industry events. This one has a ton of content.
If you want to smoke your competition, if you want to dominate,
come out here, be a part of this, meet people, make connections.
You go home, you're super energized, you put them to work, and away you go, your business grows, and the next year comes along, and you're happy to come back.
All the guys that Keith brought in today were able to deliver strategies that I can take home with me and implement immediately into my business that are going to take my business to the next level. And I'm so appreciative that he brought together such an amazing team of people that I've been watching on Facebook and YouTube videos for a year now, and they're all here and I'm rubbing shoulders with them, and it's amazing.
Join Keith Kalfas and industry professionals to get questions to answers like,
how do I automate the sales, marketing, and follow-up in my service business? How are other service business owners leveraging software, outsourcing talent, building teams, getting coached, and making such an incredible income? How do I turn my customers into clients and my clients into raving fans? How do I create a lead generation and referral system that brings me more new customers on autopilot? And how do I measure the ROI of what I'm spending on marketing so that I have predictable deal flow coming into my business? If you've ever wanted to learn how to automate the sales and marketing in your service business, then this will be the most transformative workshop you can't afford to miss. If you're sick of wearing 10 hats and doing 50 things at once, then the strategies you will learn at this live event will change your business and your life. Welcome to the Marketing ROI Live Workshop, where you will walk away with a tactical and actionable understanding of how to crush it with the sales and marketing in your service business.